Dan says, I do have a question this week. I've ordered and received my RYS package. I'm confused on how to use this now. I've sifted through the training and I'm not sure how to use this and where I am to submit content to get this going. I could use a quick, if you could quickly speak on this, that would be greatly appreciated. Dan, if you don't already have it, contact us at support for Marco. What is it called? The user's guide?
It's the done for you user's guide.
Okay. Yep. So contact us for the RYS done for you users guide. If we didn't, we should, guys, are we delivering that when the drive stacks are delivered? We should.
I don't know what the guys at Surf Space are doing, dude.
Okay. Well, if it comes back under MGYB, we should put that into the delivery email.
It's already in the process docs.
Okay, cool. All right, very good. So yeah, Dan, just reach out to us at support. We'll get it to you. And here shortly, guys, that will be delivered with every order, which will be much better.